Hello, how you doing? I am Miss Cassie. I am your instructor. I would love to have you on board. Come to my class, learn some technique, learn some keys, do's and don'ts, and all of that good stuff. I have 21 years experience. I have been working with children. I have been working with teenagers, adults, men, women, all of that. Mega churches, small groups, getting them started. And I would just love to just kind of pass this information, pass it over. And then maybe you can take that information and pass it over. You know, that is the whole point. A little bit about me. I'm 38. Like I said, I've been doing this for 21 years. I have lupus. I've been diagnosed with lupus, and I still press on. I still do it. I still do it. And I know you can do it. So if you got a medical condition or whatever it is that you may think that you can't do it, baby, you can. All right, today in section 1, we're going to talk about the introduction of dance. Dance is not just for children. It's for all age groups. So that's what we're going to begin with. When it comes to ministering, it's very important to concentrate. When it comes to concentrating, what I mean by that is basically fixating your vision on something over the person's head when it comes to ministering. So if you're up there, example, if you're up there saying, you know, let's worship God, right? And you fix your eyes on someone in the audience, and then you lose your concentration on your next movement, could be something else. And you didn't forgot it because you didn't looked at someone else in the audience. So that's what I mean by it's important to concentrate on something or fixate your vision on something prior to getting ready to minister. Getting ready to minister, in general, that's another thing. When it comes to ministering, clear your thoughts. Don't be on Facebook. Don't be on TikTok. Don't be on any social media sites or checking your phone for your text messages or anything like that, because it becomes a distraction in so many ways before you get ready to get up there and do what you got to do. And you know, for instance, what if you got bad news? Okay, so you got the bad news and it's time to get ready, and you know, the preacher or organization say, okay, well, they call your name getting ready to get up there to minister, and you just got this bad news. So what happens then? All of that is on your face. That's why it's important to concentrate on something near off, far off, or however you want to say it. It's important to concentrate on something else other than the people, other than social media, and all that. You can do all that afterwards. But before, no. That's just a tip. That's the introduction here. And I hope you enjoy it. Now we're getting ready to begin. All right now, see you shortly.